Chris and Mary, today's weather, let's call it the dress rehearsal before the big performance. This afternoon and all day we've been watching this. Trucks come here, fill up with salt, and hit the road. Now the city is assuring residents that they're on top of this storm, but the question is, are you? Theo, do you know it's going to snow this weekend?
Yeah.
Ready or not, snow and ice are headed our way. Theo Williams and his dad prefer to be prepared.
We haven't had that much snow this year, so we're looking forward to it, the two of us. Right, buddy?
This weekend, the snowplows want to come and put all the snow to make restoring sled and skate.
The pair among people hitting up Home Depot in Yonkers, stocking up on supplies.
I'm getting some salt so that I can sprinkle in the front of my house so no one falls.
Nobody was about to fall here either. We gave Pamela Miles a hand loading what she needs to hunker down at home, a popular plan.
Just a few items that I need. I don't overdo it because you never know, then you lose power. And then you're on the other end, throwing it all away.
We're actually at Stu's getting stuff to head up to Vermont to go skiing for the weekend, so we're not too worried about the snow. We hope it snows up there.
New Jersey commuters are enjoying the calm before what's to come.
It's been good. The weather's been all right. Thank God of that. The traffic is real light, but it's been all right.
And the roads?
The roads are good. They did a good job so far, not like last time.
Last time meaning this November nightmare, which left New York City streets crippled, a crash closing down the George Washington Bridge, a poor response by the city, and the de Blasio administration facing major criticism.
Look, as the WHO once said, we won't be fooled again. Whatever the National Weather Service says, we're now like multiplying by 4.
I am telling you right now, for the event over the weekend, you should not be on the road.
City leaders say there will be plows in all 5 boroughs. State police say they'll have extra troopers out. It seems everyone is all hands in to take the first major snow event of the year by storm. We're live on the west side. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.